Okay, hey everyone. Um, and I'm just sending a quick email about the Velox conference to someone. Uh, Rockin'. Cool. So, yeah, that was great. So, okay, we are going to do a follow-up from before. So this is very mini Spark PR follow-up time. And my two outgoing Spark PRs are both filter pushdowns. Super exciting. Um, and yeah, we're gonna work on that. Let's get some tunes going. What's that thing called? Techno Acts royalty free. Love it, love it. Royalty free music. And I'm feeling breakbeats, alt metal, industrial. Let's try their. They've got royalty-free Halloween music. We're gonna try that. Okay, and we're gonna do this on the quicker side because I got a 3:30 meeting that I gotta go to, and it's in person, so I probably gotta bounce at 3. So we'll do that. Alexa, turn on Holden's speaker. Fuck. Ooh, that's substantially louder than I expected. Okay. Cool. So, let's go find our Spark PRs. Pull requests. Author is going to be me, and we're going to go to this one first. So this has been a hot minute. So we're going to go, actually, check out master, git pull, Apache, GitHub master. Is that the latest commit? I want to make sure. That looks like it's the latest commit. Okay. And then we're going to go get rebates master. Great. And then, yeah. Okay. Okay, cool. So I think this comment is agreeing with me. This one is a relatively simple change. So let's go ahead and make that change. We're looking for optimizer Scala. Let's go look at the larger files changed. Okay, 1814, give or take, because we did a rebase. Okay, the union is, and then we've got val new pond. Case A, type attribute if output.exists underscore. Wait, is that right? Okay. The union is the child of the filter, so its children are grandchildren. moves filters down to the grandchild if there's an element in the grandchild's output which is semantically equal to the filter being evaluated. What? Semantic or ref equals. So, no, I don't know. Yeah, no. So, it's safer to use semantic or ref here than strictly checking expert, just strictly checking expert ID. If that's what was suggested. Either situation is reasonable. Does that sound right? Oh. Semantic or ref equals. Let's go semantic or ref. Oh yeah. So yeah. 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 Is it always going to be attributes? Is that? It's since is it a sequence of attributes? I don't think so. Output, let's go take a look. Output is union.output. Let's go take a look at the, it's going to be inside of basic logical operators, union, def, output. Okay, sequence of attributes. So does attribute always have a okay, it's going to be named. Okay, yeah. So this is, okay, so it's always going to be let's see here. So the canonicalized version. Okay, actually, no, that does make sense. Okay, so we're going to go over here. Oh, cool. Oh, hey, hey, Shiva. I do not know. Okay, so O'Reilly Book Access, to get it legally, you got to pay for it. You can plug the name of pretty much any O'Reilly book into insert name of questionable website here and find the O'Reilly books, though. Of course, if you got the money, you know, it's better to buy the O'Reilly books, but if you want to, and you're like hard up for cash. I don't imagine really any of the authors mind, especially if you weren't going to buy it anyways. Like that's the reality of it. Uh, you know, I certainly don't care. Okay, so uh, semantic equal semantic or ref equals. So we can get rid of this chunk of code. And then what we do here inside of semantic or ref, you are going to be an attribute ref expert ID eligible semantic or ref. Yeah, dot expert ID equals right. Let's take a look at the git diff that comes up. All right. Oh, okay, yeah. So you are going to be okay. Now it says the optimizer. I probably should have done a clean compile, I'm realizing. But we'll find out. Okay. Split conjunctive predicates. No, okay. So I think our response to this well-meaning suggestion is going to be, yeah, so split split conjunctive predicates. So if all of the references, yeah, so while output is sequence of attribute split conjunctive predicates is not split conjunctive predicates references. References are not so not all of the references so okay. Split conjunctive predicates gives us a sequence of expression. Gives us a sequence of expression. Okay, well, though, what happens? So if this is an oh, gives us an expression. Okay, yeah, so if okay. Semantic or graph equality. This makes sense. Would it always have to be a named expression? It wouldn't necessarily. So here, all right, four type expression. So our condition, though, is going to be, it's not, okay, so if the output, let's go take a look over here. So output is a sequence. So we take a look at the output from the children. Okay, so an element is eligible for pushdown if it's deterministic and all of its references exist in the output. Def. Okay, these are always attributes. Okay, so that's fine. So actually maybe we don't need this here. Okay. So it is eligible for pushdown if ref.expertID right? Does that sound right? Index where underscore dot expert ID equals. Let's see. See if this makes sense. No. Okay, well, it made sense to me, but what's different? It doesn't work. So we expect this filter to come down. Oh, right. Expert ID. Okay. Cool. Okay. Yeah. Git.am. Simplify the code. Use the fact that both output and ref are attributes, so we can always depend on ref ID. Cool. Okay. That sounds good. We resolve that. So cool. So we're going to go back to pull requests. We're going to go look at our other pull requests. Okay, and let's go take a look what failed. Okay. Okay, cool. What failed here? Run tests fails. What test failed? Can I download the log? Let's go exception. I don't really care about deprecations. Okay, let's go. Test failed. What tests failed? The Hive thrift server query test? What the fuck? Okay. Oh, okay. Let's go ahead and yeah, okay, cool. So PR. Kick off the current test, and then in the meantime, see if we can get that test to fail locally. I might have to compile this with Hive, actually. I'm just realizing. Yeah. Yeah, okay, so we're going to need to do relaunch SPT. Hive thrift server. Alexa, stop. Test only. Alexa, create a 4-minute timer. All right. Let's see if it fails locally. And or how. Division by 0. That really... This seems unrelated. I don't fucking know. Let's go take a look at the commits that have happened inside of Spark recently. See if we've got any things that might explain that. This failed. Push test failed. PySpark, no. Yarn, connect, also no. Variant get. My gut instinct is that it's like not related, but like you know, we did change something in the optimizer. That can have kind of unintended effects. So all bets are currently off, as they say. It's from Using too much memory. Compile the Hive tests. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna. Cool. So, just because I got that 3:30 thing to get to, we're gonna leave this to run, and I'm gonna come back to it probably tomorrow. That's sort of my plan here. Hopefully, we'll have like either we did the rebase and the repush and it passed in GitHub Actions, or hopefully we end up with a failed local test. Okay. Ooh. Huh. Interesting. Interesting. So actually, we do have a failure. I'm curious if this failure is going to happen in vanilla. Also, what will happen with the clean. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to run a clean compile Hive thrift server, and we're going to come back to this tomorrow because that clean compile is going to take a really long time. But hopefully we'll see something interesting. Oh, wait, fuck. No, tomorrow. Alexa, what day is it? Yeah. Tomorrow I gotta go to the office. We're gonna come back to this probably on Friday. Thanks so much, everyone, for hanging out. See you all around. Thanks, Shiva, for chatting. Good luck with the DE roles. Sorry I don't have more concrete advice right now.